What would you do with an extra $10,000 in your bank account in 1 year from now? Travel the world, pay off debt, or finally create that emergency fund everyone says you need it so much? Here's the good news. You don't need a six-figure salary or extreme sacrifices to make it happen. Today, I'm going to give you my simple step-by-step plan to save $10,000 in 1 year. And trust me, this is the exact system I used even with 2 kids, bills, and the craziness of the life. So, let's dive in. I'm Horia Grigorescu, a lawyer by day, entrepreneur by passion, and the husband and dad 24/7. Saving money wasn't always easy and not my strong suit, but I realized that working hard can actually help me grow my savings, knowing something that I can change my life forever. A few years ago, I challenged myself to save $10,000 in 1 single year. Spoiler, I did it. And now I'm here to show you how to do it yourself, step by step, without giving up everything you love. By the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to hit that saving bonus and set your mindset to be ready to get on this process much more easier. Step 1 is simple. Make a plan. Without one, your saving goal is just wishful thinking. And let's be honest, how many times have you promised yourself you'd save whatever's left over at the end of the month, only to find nothing's left? I've been there myself also. That's why we are going to get intentional and break goal into bit-sized chunks. $10,000 a year, it's $833 a month. That's $192 a week and $27 a single day. That's the amount that maybe sounds a lot, but think that most people spend that amount on coffee, snacks, and impulse buys on Amazon each day. By focusing on small daily wins, the goal feels less overwhelming and way more achievable. Here's how to turn this into a foolproof action plan. This is the golden rule. Treat your savings like a Netflix subscription. It happens automatically, no excuses. Set up a recurring transfer right after payday so the money is whisked away to the dedicated saving account before you even notice it's gone. Trust me, if you wait to transfer it manually, life will get in the way and you'll convince yourself that you need that cash for something else. When I started automating my savings, it was like magic. I forgot about the transfers entirely. And then one day I checked my account and I think, whoa, I've saved this much already? It's the easiest way to outsmart your own spending habits. Here's the thing. Not all saving accounts are created equal. A regular account will give you crumbs, 0.01% interest. A high-yield savings account, on the other hand, can offer 4% or even more. What does that mean to you? Well, if you stash $10,000 in one of these accounts, you will earn one extra $400 in 1 single year without lifting not even a finger. That's free money. So, if you don't already have one, take 10 minutes today to open a high-yield account. Let's make saving fun. Yes, you heard me. Fun. Use a saving tracker, an app, or even an old-school poster board. For example, you can color in a square for every $500 you save or add a sticker to a progress chart. Seeing your progress in real time keeps you motivated. When I started saving, I used an app that would send like a little celebration notification every time I hit a milestone. It was silly, but it worked for me. Seeing those digital confetti animation made me keep going on. Hey, quick check-in. Are you enjoying this so far? If you are, give this video a thumbs up because it really helps our channel Quantum Prosper. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and join our community of smart savers and life builders. Also, check out my other videos on budgeting hacks because it's perfect for follow-up on this video. So let's keep going now. Let's be honest, when most people hear cost cut, they imagine giving up everything they love and living on instant noodles. But here's the truth. Cutting doesn't have to feel like a punishment. It's about being intentional and focusing on what really matters to you personally. Trust me, you don't have to give up your happiness to save money. Here's how we have to do it. This is where we find the easy wins. Start by looking at your bank account statements for subscriptions you don't use or you barely use. Did you know the average person spends $200 a year on forgotten subscription? That's crazy. That's like paying for an invisible gym membership. Cancel anything that doesn't bring you joy. I personally saved $40 a month by cutting out my gym membership I hadn't used in a, well, longer period than I should have. Next, let's look at your daily habits. That $5 coffee on your morning commute might not seem like much, but over a year, that's $1,825. Making coffee at home is not only cheaper but can also become a little ritual for you that you actually enjoy. I like experimenting, for example, with fancy coffee beans. Makes me feel like a barista without the price tag attached. Groceries are another sneaky area where costs can spiral out of control, but with a little strategy you can save big amounts without sacrificing quality. First, plan your meals. Meal prepping just 3 days a week can save you $120 a month, and it means fewer takeout orders when you're too tired to cook. Bonus, you'll probably eat even healthier too. Second, shop with a list and stick to it. Those impulse buys and the checkout lines are budget killers. If it's not on the list, it doesn't go in the cart. Don't shop when you're hungry. That's a pro tip. Everything looks delicious when your stomach is growling. Where is where you have to channel your inner lawyer. Did you know that most internet, phone, and insurance providers offer discounts if you just ask? Seriously, pick up the phone and say, "Hey, I've been a loyal customer. Can you offer me a better rate, a better deal?" I once knocked down $300 of my annual car insurance with a single 5 minutes call. It's the easiest $300 I've ever saved. This works with utilities too. If you live in an area where you can compare electricity or gas providers, check for better rates and make the switch. The saving can be significant and the process is usually quick and quite painless. Small changes are great, but don't forget to think bigger. If you can cut $50 from your phone bill, $100 from groceries, and $150 from subscription and entertainment, that's $300 saved every month. Multiply by 12 and you already reach $300, $600 closer to your $10,000 saving goal. Let's shift gears a little bit and talk about boosting your income this time. While cutting costs is great, earning extra money can fast-track your saving goals. And the best part? You don't have to work 100 hours weeks or give up all your free time to make it happen. 1. Side hustle for busy people. Got a skill? Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr are great for freelancing. Whether you're good at writing, graphic design, coding, or even proofreading, you can earn $500 or $1,000 a month with just a few hours a week. Not sure what to offer? Tutoring is another excellent option. If you're good at math, languages, or even playing an instrument, teaching others can bring you a solid extra cash. And with online platforms, you can do all of this from home. Second, sell what you don't need. Your home might be a hidden gold mine. I once sold an old camera for $400 Facebook Marketplace. It had been sitting in the drawer for years. Take a weekend to look through your items that you no longer use. Things like electronics, furniture, or even clothes can bring in surprising amounts. Every dollar earned gets you closer to your 10,000 goal without burning out. Here's that secret that changed everything for me. Saving isn't about deprivation, it's about freedom. Every dollar you save buys you something priceless: peace of mind, opportunities. Here's a fun trick: name your savings. Instead of just calling it savings, call it Dream Vacation Fund, Freedom Fund, or even Emergency Peace of Mind. Giving your goals names make it feel more real, more exciting. Every time you transfer money, you're not just saving, you're investing in something meaningful to you. And one more thing, try no spend outs during the weekends. It's simple, no unnecessary spending for 48 hours. I did this for 6 months and saved thousands of dollars in that period. It's a small habit with a big payoff, and honestly, it can be kind of fun to get creative with what you already have at home. So, let's recap everything you need to save $10,000 in 1 year. build a plan, automate savings, use high yields accounts, and track your progress visually. Second, cut costs. Audit your expenses, meal prep, and negotiate your bills. 3. Earn more. Start a side hustle, sell unused items, and use cashback apps. 4. Shift your mindset. Saving isn't about giving up. It's about creating freedom. With these steps, you're not just saving money, you're taking control of your financial future. And remember, it's not about perfection. It's about consistency and staying committed to your own goals. Thanks so much for watching our video. If you are serious, and I know you're serious about saving and building a better life, check out these videos because are related to budget hacking. Beginners can also take a lot of information from this and crush the financial goals for 2025. Let me know in the comments what your saving goal for this year. I'm really eager to know your comments and to give you honest replies to how you are starting to build up your 2025. If you haven't done this already, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to like and share our video to somebody that really needs our support.